Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ako po pala si Mai, currently working here in Taiwan for 7 years. For today's video guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung hiring na company na no placement fee. Ang Filsino, yan. Ayan, yung location niya is 27 Rainbow Street, Bricktown, Subdivision Moonwalk, Parañaque City. So, ayan guys, yung kanilang likes, 261, tapos 341 yung followers, para hindi kayo may scam. Basta, ito legit to, legit na FB page nila. Ito naman yung kanilang license sa POAA. Yan yung kanilang hiring, nag-post sila nung September 18. Hiring yung PSMC, walang placement fee. So, ang interview ng employer will be on September 27, 2024. So, yung kailangan lang po nila is female production operator. Please report at Filsino Agency for free screening and lined up open Monday to Friday until September 26. So, pwede kayong pumunta doon. Yung mga dadalhing requirements is passport, humid ID, certificate, national ID, temporary ID, national or digital national ID, active voter certificate or ID, PSA birth certificate. So, yung sketch, diba? Ang galing. May sketch pa sila. So, ito daw, if from Baclaran ka, sakay ka na going to Sukat, Daan Airport Road siya. Baba sa multinational Uni Oil Gas Station na may Jollibee. So, ayan, tawid sa overpass, hanapin yellow tricycle, sabihin Filsino Agency. So, ayun. Yan guys ang gagawin nyo ha. Pero kung ano, i-search nyo na lang din yung Filsino. Tapos, para alam nyo. So, ito yung online nila. Online Filsino e-biodata. So, i-click nyo lang din to. Ayan. Mag-register din kayo dyan. Ayan. Mag-online kayo dyan. Ayan. Sasagutan nyo lang yan guys ha. I-click nyo lang yung link na kulay blue kanina. Tapos, sagot kayo dyan. So, next agency tayo guys, sa Skyborn naman tayo. Ito yung kanilang FB page, i-search nyo lang din. Ayan. Meron silang 598 likes, 710k followers. So, ito yung legit nilang FB page. Mag-iingat po tayo sa mga scammer guys ha. Ayan. Yan yung kanilang FB page. Ito din yung address nila. Nasa 1679 Dian Street, Barangay San Isidro, Makati, Philippines. Ayan yun. Hiring alert. Ayan, walk-in application. So, for interested and qualified applicants, kindly visit our office located at Ayan 1679 Dian Street, Barangay San Isidro, Makati City. No fees to be collected upon application. No agent allowed. Beware of illegal recruiters online. So, ayan guys, ang kanilang hiring. Female factory worker bound to Taiwan. Location sa New Taipei, Taiwan. Product LCD. Basic salary 27,470 NTD or 49,400 sa peso. So, ito yung basic qualification. 20 to 30 years old. Height, 156 to 165 cm. So, yung Skyborn guys, mahigpit sila sa height. Kaya, kung hindi ka na qualified dyan, huwag ka na pong magpunta. Weight, 65 to 70 kilo. 4 years college graduate with or without experience on factory worker. No work experience in Taiwan. Ex-Taiwan and ex-abroad can apply. Ex-Taiwan must be finished contract. Naman yung mga basic requirements nila, all qualified applicants may come and bring your original documents for line-up. Bring the following: registration, POS, certificate, birth certificate, voter's ID or updated voter certificate, passport with at least 1 year validity, UMID ID or SS certificate or national ID. So, ayan guys, yan yung sa Skyburn naman. I-like nyo na lang din yung Skyburn. Next tayo sa iQuest Manpower naman tayo. So, ito yung agency. I-search nyo lang din yung FB page nila. Ayan. Yung kanilang likes is 456 likes. 508k followers naman sila. Legit to guys dito. Magbe-base kayo dyan para iwas kayo may scam. Ayan din yung kanilang DMW license. Search nyo na lang siya. Ito yung location nila. 11 hours ago, nag-update sila. So, ayan. Urgent hiring factory workers in Taiwan. 100 factory workers in Taiwan. No placement fee, no processing fee, no interview fee. Face-to-face interview dates September 27 and 28, 2024. Sa venue sa Manila main office sa iQuest. To guys, yung OSE kasi nasa Kaohsiung to. I have friend na nandun, si Ate Roan. Hi Ate Roan. Dun siya nagwo-work. No placement fee sila guys. Standard qualification, college graduate or 2 years vocational graduate of any course is a plus. Prior work experience in electronics and semiconductor factory is highly advantageous. So, how to apply? Ayan. I-click nyo lang tong link din na to. Ayan. Then, fill up na din kayo ng form sa iQuest. Sundin nyo lang yung mga sinasabi yan. Madali lang naman sundan yung kanilang mga form. Pa silang isa. Ayan. A day ago, nung kahapon lang to nakita ko. Kailangan din ng manpower, 200 factory workers in Taiwan din. Wala ding placement fee. So, i-follow nyo na lang yung iQuest para lagi kayong updated sa kanilang mga post. Then, ang face-to-face interview naman nito is on October 23 and 24, 2024. Ang venue, iQuest Manila, main office nila. Ang company naman dito sa Taiwan is King Yuan Electronics Corp, KYEC. So, maganda din yung company na yan. Ayan yung product nila. IC test service, burn-in service, tape and reel, wafer grinding and dicing, turnkey operation. Ganyan. So, ang kanilang standard qualification, college graduate of engineering courses related to electronics and technology, electrical, mechanical, computer science, and information related field in an advantage. So, ayan yun. Ayan yung hinahanap ng KYEC. So, no placement fee din siya. Same lang ng mga salary nila. Lahat guys, yung hiring ngayon, magpunta na kayo. Yan lang po ang vlog ko for today. Thank you for watching at maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood ng vlogs ko. Until sa susunod ulit. Bye!